In today's video, I will show you how to create animation like this. It's super simple and minimal. I have covered everything in this tutorial, so let's get started. So let's first download this Starbucks coffee. So let's just come here and go to Sketchfab. This is the place where you can find all the 3D assets and just search Starbucks. Let's see. Okay, this is the box, the exact ditto box. So let's just download it. I will download it in 1K. We don't need too much. So let's put it here and click on OK, and make sure to click on make comp size, and let's just make it somewhere here, and let's see how the animation will look. So it will look something like this. So let's put our text always and make it black. And for these flowers, we are going to add them afterwards when we completed the full edit. Okay, so let's just see if I have this kind of font. You don't have to be exact every time, or if you want, you can just take a screenshot and upload it on fontfinder.com. I'm just choosing what's the nearest kind of font we have for this. Okay, let's choose this one. I think it's good to be different. Okay, let's not just found something really same. Okay, then just make it copy, and for this I'm going to choose Helvetica regular version and minus 50 in character distance, and put it somewhere here. Okay, and then just make a copy of it and put it somewhere here and say branding secret. And for this I'm going to choose medium version, and we are going to choose this red color. Okay, and let's make all of this 3D, and also let's add a camera. And let's add this circle. So let's click on ellipse tool, while holding shift make a circle, and fill should be none, and give the stroke of black, and I think the stroke should be around 5 will work. Yeah, 5 is good. And here, while selecting this, just search stroke and open this and click on dashes, and I think the less will be better. The more you will increase the number, the less the dashes it will be. So I think around here will be good, somewhere here. Okay, and then to make it animate, just use this plugin trim pack. So let's see it, how it's looking. Okay, so let's see. Okay, this is looking good, and let's just animate the text, and you can choose any animation, does not matter what you are choosing. I'm going to choose this animation because it's looking good. So let's put it somewhere here. So it should look something like this. Okay, let's put it here and put P position and our rotation position. Come here, do this, and also increase little bit Z position of P, and select all of them, ease them, and peak in the left, like stiff peak in the left, something like this. And for this one we are going to add rotation of Z. Put it here, do something like this, and once it come here, you can make it 0, not 0, maybe show the this logo. Okay, and I think we have to make it kind of big, something like this. Okay, let's see. Okay, so as you can see, it's rotating very badly. So what we can do is somewhere here, click on rotation of the keyframes and click on this button, and make sure you put the anchor in middle. So now if we put it here and you click on rotation here, so look how smoothly it's rotating on it from middle. Okay, so let's put it here. So let's see it now. Okay, it's looking good. So first, before it comes to the end, we will make a we will cut the camera from here, and we will make a null and attach both camera to that null. and before somewhere here make a keyframe on null and do this. Okay, we have to make this also 3D, something like this. Okay, so do this. Once it's somewhere here, select both of them, ease them, and create a peak in the middle. A stiff, not kind of too stiff, but something like this. Okay, something like this. Okay, let's see if it's in the middle. Okay, so let's see it now. So here in the middle, just delete all of this from here. Okay, let's give them same color, and here we're going to do this. Okay, so for the circle, you just like where the circle is, you just copy it and paste it here again, and here you can make sure it's in the middle again. Okay, and this time we are going to add this. And you can also do one thing, you can also just like copy the text and put it here, so you don't have to make it again and again. Yeah, that's the good thing, like you can just put the text and you don't have to make it again and again. So let's see what the text is saying. Polished perfection. So this is simple, like editing is simple, as I always say, like people are the ones who are making it complicated. Okay, so let's put the text somewhere here as it says and make both of them close, and like let's put both of them somewhere here. Okay, and let's select this, copy this again and put it here, and let's make it black too. Okay, not italic, I think medium works fine. Yeah, and make it black, and you can just put here and make it kind of big. And as you can see, there is another text is, so let's just put is. The thing in these kind of edits is you have to be created with the like text presets and all, because we are not using too much graphics and everything, so you have to be like good with the text, and also it looks good, it does not look boring at all, so make sure that. So let's put it somewhere here and do this and delete it somewhere here, so we will add another animation there. So it also says something here, so maybe you can just select, copy this, put it here and write about cupcake. Anything you can write about, it depends on the script the client will give you. So I will just going to write it anything. So it doesn't matter at all what I wrote, but it just should look good because it's all about designing. So let's see and make it small, something like this. Okay, I think this is good. And let's just find Starbucks cupcake. So I think we will find it here. So let's just see. Okay, here you go. Like we don't have to find. So let's just put it in the timeline and make sure to like make it comp size. Okay, somewhere here, and make sure it's inside the somewhere here. Okay, and make a cut here, and I guess we have to do the same thing with it. As we can see, like let's try to rotate it on the Z position. Okay, it's in the middle. This one is in the middle. So make a keyframe on Y and Z and do this. Oh, wait. First we have to make two keyframes, something like this, and then come here. Then we have to do something like this. So it comes something like this, that put it outside and somewhere here. So let's see it now. Let's see from the start. Okay, so the keyframes on the objects are too like rough, so let's select them and easy ease them. Do the same with cupcakes, so just easy ease them and let's see. Yeah, better now. Okay, let's just come here and I guess make a keyframe here and also here and do something like this. Give it little good amount and select both. Peak in the middle somewhere here and let's see if it's looking good or not. I think it's perfect. Okay, let's do this and do this and then see if it's in the middle. Okay, no, it's not. So somewhere here, yeah, it's in the middle now. So for this one, we are going to download a bean, a coffee bean, and then the grid. Okay, so let's come on Canva and just search coffee bean. Coffee beans. I just download one bean. Any bean you can choose which looks good to you. I think this one will works best. And then download grid. I guess let's see. You can download any grid. I think this one will looks good. Okay, this is good. Just make it black and download both of them without background. So let's upload both here and make them 3D and they will come somewhere here. So let's make them small. Okay, this is good. I guess let's put the wait, let's put okay, it's okay, make the grid little bit big somewhere here and I guess select this ellipse tool and make a some kind of like make a mask, not some kind of, and give it a what you say, like feather. Bro, like mid editing I'm forgetting the things. Lol. And let's see, we have to animate. No, okay, we have to make it a little bit from here to somewhere here, something like this. Make both F9 and let's make, I think let's just copy the effects again. We don't have to make it our own every time. That's the best thing about this kind of editing. You don't have to do anything again and again. Okay, it's looking good. And for the and we are going to do little bit color grading here. Let's just search contrast, brightness and contrast, and I think we have to bump up the contrast little bit. Okay, and decrease the brightness somewhere here, and let's just search Shadow Studio. And I will give the distance somewhere here and length should be somewhere here and softness can be around 10. We don't need too much, and the opacity can be also 50%, something like this. I think we can extend the font to somewhere here and then just delete this. So for this one, let's add a black solid dark I mean just black solid, what I'm saying, like dark, and somewhere here, and do one thing, come here and make sure it's zooming little bit, something like this, very small but some kind of it's zooming, so it should look something like this. It's coming, and from the from here, and you can also do one thing, rather than just a black solid, come to ellipse tool and make a shape layer, stroke should be none, and give it black color, and now make it in the middle. Okay, in the middle, just in the middle somewhere here, put a scale keyframe somewhere here, make it 0 and do this, And for the second keyframe, make sure it covers the whole screen, and I should say it should go more, so it will look super smooth. So let's see. So let's see. Okay, then it should say as a running joke. Okay, so let's see what text can we add here. So we obviously we are not creating a text again, so we just copy and put it somewhere here. And for this text you can just make it 2D and make both of these white so we can see them, and running joke, and make sure it's in the middle. And for this one as and make sure this is also in the middle but somewhere here. Okay, and make sure both of their keyframes should come fast, not this is slow somewhere here. Okay, and for running joke we are going to make it red, and let's add deep glow. Around 0.05 will works. So wait, let me just make the comp around 7.15 seconds. Oh, it's too big. Okay, perfect. So let's see it. Running joke. Okay, so now let's add these flowers. So let me just search them on here. Flower. Okay. I think it will gonna take some time, so let me just search it. So I did not find the exact, I found this one. So one thing we can do is we can make it let's just download it without background, and I will tell you what we can. So let's add it here. I think for each one we are going to make a separate one, so put it somewhere here, something like this, somewhere in the corner, and one here. Now what we are going to do, I'm going to add fill. Okay, so let's give fill of this. This is just dark green color because this is our like what you say, like theme. And add Z rotation, and somewhere here like click on rotation. Okay, put something like this, and some here something like this, and make sure they both are out of the frame here, so it looks like they are keep on moving. So let's see. Okay, so now just duplicate both of them and do this here again. So we will have something like, now one thing we are going to do, we are going to add an adjustment layer, and now add Gaussian blur, and I think around 35 will work. Let's select this ellipse tool, and by click here, and while drag it here, invert it and add feather, something like this. I think 35 is too much, let's add 25, and something like this feather works, so it's looking good. So let's just see here. Okay, this is looking perfect, and this was the tutorial. I hope you like it. Try to replicate this and add your own ideas and post on Instagram, and also tag me, and just let me know on next tutorial what you guys want to see. Bye.